Hello, and welcome to day 2 of Module 8, Tuesday, November 10th. Let's see what we have to do today. First, you'll watch this video. Then you'll click Async. You have 3 activities to do in Async. The first one is writing a summary paragraph. Okay, so you're going to write a summary paragraph about this article. Make sure you read all of the directions before you begin. You will put your answer in the comment section. Be sure to check for spelling and grammar, and then click post. Make sure you read everything before you begin. Okay, if you don't remember how to do summary paragraph, you can check yesterday's sync. I have a PowerPoint with video on how to do a summary paragraph for fiction and nonfiction text. This particular text you will read is a nonfiction text. All right, that's your first async assignment. Your second async assignment is in MEL. Okay, so many of you have done about 50% of the MEL assignments. I have given 19, most people around 10 or even 0. Please do your activities in MEL. All right, wonderful. And the last async activity is a Nearpod grammar / writing lesson on but, although, and however. Okay, so you are very, very familiar with how to do a Nearpod, so I do not have to walk you through it this time, right? Excellent, great job. Now we're going to go to sync. Okay, and sync, it's Tuesday, so we have Zoom together. All right, so we're going to talk about comparative and superlative adjectives and read an article. So yesterday you're supposed to read an article and we will fill it out together. Okay, so we will read the article and then we are going to do a worksheet, and you will need your notebook, right? You will need your notebook for this, blank sheet of paper. Then you'll do some grammar practice with speaking in groups, all right? Comparative and superlative, and I will explain what to do. All right, wonderful. And that's it. Good luck.